powerful windstorm overnight caused big problems in and around San Francisco.
Yeah, city workers have been overwhelmed by the number of downed trees and power lines in the city. Dahlin is live in San Francisco, one of the spots where the San Francisco city workers still haven't gotten to, or are they already gotten to there and cleared out the trees by now, Da?
No, not yet, not this one. They, as you mentioned, simply overwhelmed right now. They say they will get to this one as quickly as they can. We're standing on Arlington Street in the Glen Park neighborhood right now, where high winds have taken down a lot of trees like this one here. You can see this large tree limbs landed on the street and damaging a couple of cars along the way as well. Public Works crew saying, hey, they'll try to get here as soon as they can, but it's going to take some patience and time. Mother Nature flexing her muscles, knocking down trees, power lines, and even scaffolding. There's also street flooding in many parts of the city.
We're just really fortunate the tree didn't go that way because it would have crushed my brother. He stays right there.
The large tree crushed a car in front of Henry Jimenez's house.
Poor car. Good thing it wasn't mine.
Public Works shut down his block on Folsom Street between 25th and 26th Streets because 3 trees crushed cars and broke windows in 2 houses. The lifelong Mission District resident says he's never seen such powerful winds.
The tornado warning woke me up, and then it was just so loud, and I thought the window was going to be blown in, so I went running to the hallway because there's no windows there.
Unlike Henry, most people say they went back to sleep after the tornado alert on their phone woke them up.
I didn't even take it seriously. I was like, there's no way. Like, no way there's an actual tornado coming through here.
San Francisco officials say they're not aware of any confirmed reports of tornadoes. Here's a look at the Golden Gate Park. Gusty winds uprooting tree after tree after tree. Too many to count.
This is some of the craziest damage I've seen. I can only imagine, like in people's backyards, it must be a mess all over the city.
Public Works says they're prioritizing major incidents with life and safety issues.
Right now we're really triaging the trees that are down on property, the trees that are down on wires, the trees that are down on cars or on the roads. Those are ones that the tree crews are going at first. The ones that are not causing a lot of problems in the right-of-way, blocking traffic, those we'll get to as soon as we can.
Workers shut down a stretch of San Jose Avenue and nearby Arlington Street in the Glen Park neighborhood. Here on Arlington Street, high winds snapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. 1 block away, more trees landed on 2 cars.
All along the Bernal Cut here, there's down tree after down tree. You can see cars being crushed.
In the Mission District, we saw trees blocking lanes and driveways. On Guerrero Street, firefighters removed heavy roof tiles that were about to fall onto the sidewalk. In the outer Richmond, trees and power lines landing on parked cars on Fulton Avenue. Same problems in other districts, like the scaffolding leaning on power lines. Henry says he's glad it wasn't worse.
Everyone came out healthy.
City officials say no reported injuries. That is the good news. But take a look at this large tree limb from this eucalyptus tree. I mean, you can see how big this thing is. Very heavy, I bet. Again, causing damage to 2 cars here on Arlington Street. Public Works officials once again saying they're asking for patience. They say it may take a few days to get to all of these trees to clear them all out. But this one, once again, has been here since around 6 o'clock this morning. So 12 hours later, still here. Again, asking for patience. Live in San Francisco. I'll send it back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Da.